10.3 surface areas of pyramids. We have in this picture here, you have 1, 2, 3 different types of pyramids, and each of them is considered a regular pyramid. And it's considered a regular pyramid because their bases, their bottoms, are all a regular polygon. So we have a triangular base here, we have a square base here, and we have a hexagonal base here. Okay, the triangular base for this regular pyramid must be a regular polygon, meaning it must be an equilateral triangle. So that means a regular polygon is actually a shape whose every single side is the same length. Okay, the other thing to note here is that this height of this triangle is called the slant height of the pyramid. Okay, so the height of the triangle on your lateral face is actually the slant height of your pyramid. Okay, so here you can see a little bit better picture of it. And this time we have a square for our base in this example. That's our base. We only have one of them. And then we have lateral faces. And we have 4 in this case. And here you can see, here's the height of our triangle, which is considered the slant height of the pyramid. So the formula for surface area of a pyramid is very much the same as anything else we've seen. It's the area of the base plus the areas of the lateral faces. The thing that's different about a pyramid is that there's only one base. All right, so let's do an example. Here we have a square at the bottom, and we can easily calculate the area of our square because the area of a square is just your sides squared, same thing as length times width. So 5 times 5 is 25. So the area of our base is 25. Area of the base equals 25 inches squared. Now for the lateral faces, there are 4 of them. So if we find just one of the surface area or one of the areas of the triangle, then we can multiply it by 4 and we would get every single lateral face. So our triangle looks like this, and it has a height of 8 and a base of 5. And remember, area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So for our example here, 1/2 times 8 times 5, which is 40, 8 times 5, which equals 1/2 of 40, which means it's 20. So just one of these is 20 inches squared. We have 4 of them, so altogether 44 times 20 equals 80. All right, so if we were to add it all up, we have for our base 25 inches squared plus all of our lateral faces is 80 inches squared. So altogether we have 105 inches squared is the surface area of this pyramid. All right, now it is time for you to write in your notes, and you just need to write the formula for the surface area of a pyramid. Okay, let's do another example, but this time we have a triangular base. But the process is the same. So here's our base, and we know it's a triangle, right, with a height of 8.7 meters and a base of 10 meters. Okay, again, our area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, which means 1/2 10 times 8.7. Okay, so that equals 1/2 87, which equals 43.5. Now for our lateral faces, we only have 3 of them, so we have to calculate this 1 and then multiply it by 3. So our lateral face has a height of 14 and a base of 10. So 1/2 10 times 14, which equals then 1/2 of 140, which equals 70. Right? But we have 4 of them. So 70 times 4 equals 280. So all together with our base of 43.5 meters squared and our lateral faces being 280 meters squared, if we add that up, we get 323.5 meters square, and that is the surface area of this pyramid. Right now, it is time for you to do one practice problem. Okay, your practice problem says, find the surface area of this pyramid. And we see this pyramid has a triangular base. Okay, and its height is 6 feet. Nope, its height is 5.2 feet, and its base is 6 feet. All right, so remember, 1/2 a base times your height will give the area of the base of your triangular base. Okay, now for the lateral surfaces. And your lateral surfaces, you have 1, 2, 3. 3 lateral surfaces, 3 lateral sides. Okay, one of them looks like this, and it has a height of 10 feet and a base of 6. So thinking back again, 1/2 base times height gives you the area of 1, which is 30. But you have 3 lateral faces, so you need to multiply this number by 3 and then add what you found for your area or base, and that should give you your total surface area. Okay, and that is it for 10.3.